Alright, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa Ayala Triangle kasi meet up kami kay Aheezy the Islander, the Ahern family. Ayan, pasok ka na, Shanta. The Ahern family are YouTube vloggers. They're a family of, I think, anim? No? I think they have 4 kids, no? Aheezy's from America. His wife Jodalyn is from the Philippines, Bohol, Cebuana.
Pero taga Davao hira. And family nila taga Davao.
Ah, ganun. Si Shanta parang chameleon. Her skin color changes with the lighting.
Tapos magiging brown na ako. Yan. Tapos magiging yellow.
Aheezy doesn't come to Manila often, so we gotta catch up with him before he goes back to Bohol. And turuan natin siya mag-Bisaya. Alright, nandito na po tayo sa Ayala Triangle Gardens. Diba, bebe? Kumusta yung legs after the workout, bebe?
Masakit.
Kinakaya na lang ni Shanta maglakad. Filipino time ata si Aheezy. Wala pa siya dito eh. Mag-scenic shot muna tayo, bebe, while we wait for Aheezy. Okay, tapos na ang scenic shot. Wala pa din si Aheezy. Ganun talaga pag maraming anak siguro. Something for us to look forward to, bebe. Picture na lang muna tayo sa waterfall, ha? Para sa Instagram mo. Ito ba ang isa sa mga magandang lugar dito sa Manila? Dito sa Ayala Triangle. Yan. Tahimik na. Maaliwalas. Parang bumulong-bulong siya ng kapayapaan sa kaibuturan ng kaluluwa.
Pasok na kayo sa bahay ko. Diwata ako eh, char.
Ayan. Tinawagan na kami ni Aheezy. He's on the way na daw kasi naiwan niya yung cellphone niya sa bahay niya. We have to switch to Bisaya mode na.
Oo, nay. Nay? Nagwawaray ako kaya di na, nay. Adi kami ha, kuan, Makati. Basta Bagan Park kay Makadiad dun mga kuan liwat, mga sangkay namon nga vloggers liwat yan.
Nagwawaray na akong asawa. O tagalite man ito hiyo. Alaka!
Dwayne and SHANTA.
I'm with Aheezy, man. He's here in Manila.
Just found Dwayne.
Ayan.
A wild Dwayne Wooly appeared.
Dude, I've been playing Pokemon like crazy lately. I have the games on my laptop.
Oh,
I
you
downloaded,
got like
ROMs
the
and
old
stuff.
school Game Boy?
Yeah, like
nice.
yellow version. And all
Okay,
that.
I had the blue back in the day. SHANTA! Ay, grabe!
Ang sexy niya na.
Mga Cebuana,
Okay lang,
mga
gagaya.
Bisaya, mga
Okay,
bisdak.
nakabalo na ka.
Oh, I'm still...
Still learning?
Yeah,
So,
I'm still...
what do you got, man? What have you learned since last time we met in October last year?
Alright, I'll teach you, man. It's a secret, right? So the way I learned to speak it was... like, little things like when you're shopping, like, is there a... can I get a discount? Like, naahangyo.
Wow.
Naahangyo.
Naihangyo. Wow.
And stuff like that.
Kanindot.
Yeah, and then put me on the spot here, like I'm gonna list all the new things I got.
Dapat kahapon ka pa nag-practice.
Yeah.
Si Jodalyn nagtudlo sa imo.
Oh. She teaches me.
Ang galing.
Akong maestra, akong asawa.
Maestro ni mo.
Oh.
Asawa. They're better friends than we are, man.
Sorry about being late, man.
It's all good.
We were
Filipino time. We're used to it now,
okay,
man.
good. You're used to it. Yeah, good.
All good, brother. Dude, we are going to Bohol in November.
Oh,
we are gonna travel the Philippines in November once I recover from my pagkakalbo.
Ay! Oy!
Diba?
Naayayay, Brad.
Oo nga eh.
Saki olo.
Sakit.
But how'd it go? How was the procedure? Did it?
It was good, man.
Good.
It doesn't hurt except for the initial injection of anesthesia. After that, you're fine. Saan tayo kakain, Shanta?
Wala ko kabalo
Saan
ikaw.
masarap dito? Ay, Bisaya data.
Oh, Bisaya ta.
Asa ta mo kaon?
Wala ko kabalo. Asa ta mo?
No.
Ano ikaw gusto?
Diyak siya pa rin.
Jodalyn has decided we are eating at Winam Key.
Okay,
Tara na. This is our first like real collab, man.
Wala si
This is our first real collab, dude.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
The other one was just like
I know, right?
brief
It was
meet-up
like,
in the
hey,
pop-up
like we
space,
gotta
yeah.
meet up there at the YouTube.
Exactly. Anong pinakamasarap dito, kuya?
What's the yummy one?
Salted egg.
Poultry? Salted egg.
Yes.
Ooh,
I think I had some
Ano ba na ako
salted egg.
beef daw.
Sige na.
Tara.
Beef? Oh, sige. Game na.
Okay.
Oh, sige, sige.
Kain na.
It's not like we get to choose.
Cat and tayo, I know. Us
Ayan.
guys, we don't get
Our,
to.
our wives are Bisaya. Maisog. Oh, Brian, magtagalog ka na.
Sa akin, yung ano.
Ayan, may expression pa.
Siyempre.
This is the Brylan and Dwanta double date.
I'm sitting here trying to order. I can't.
Trying to order in Tagalog pa.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Excited. Go.
Sa wakas, nag-order na. Galing ni Brian mag-Tagalog. Oh wow, may Bekinese pa. So it is decided, after double dating, we're gonna go to Divisoria. Ain't that right? Divisoria.
Mag-call po ako. Panoorin niyo sa channel ko.
Ayan.
Link down below.
Subscribe to Aheezy, guys, the Ahern family. That's
Hey,
the name of your channel
salamat po.
right now.
The Ahern family.
The
Yeah,
Ahern family.
Yeah.
Right, that thing, Aheezy the Islander. Yan, i-link ko sa description below.
And when the little woolies start coming out, it's gonna be the Wooly family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll have our Dwanta tribe.
Yeah.
Ayan, kain na. Kain na tayo.
Kain, bro.
Kain na. We're stuck in the middle of the road, Shanta. We're trapped. Ala, patay.
On the way to the car, and then we'll go to Green Hills.
No, Divisoria.
Oh yeah, they're different. Sorry.
Divisoria.
And Shanta and Jodalyn are very, very excited.
Hello. Shanta fans mo. Daming fans ni Shanta.
Waving outside.
Hello.
Got Dwanta.
Bisaya. Mga Bisaya.
Taga-saka.
Davao. That's why it's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, man.
Tara na, sa Divisoria na tayo. Buti na lang may kotse ang Aheezy family. Yeah, may aircon na tayo, Shanta. Woohoo! Aircon na sa Aheezy car.
Jojo, say hi.
Jojo daw, Jojo.
Et.
Kaya ba?
See, Et is her. Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, can you help me give me a Filipino name?
Filipino name.
Can you give me one today?
You said Brian Bardot.
Because
Bardot? Am I Bardot?
si Kulas, his real name is Kyle Kulas.
Ikaw.
Si
Dwayne.
Connor, Bisayang Hilaw, his Filipino name is Kaloy. Ako, Dwayne, yung Filipino name ko is Duende. Yung kay Brian,
Bardot.
huh? Bartolomeo?
Bardot?
Bartolome. Donalyn Bartolome?
We'll think of something.
Ano ang pangalan ni Brian sa Filipino? Comment below, yan. So Jodalyn's Filipino name is Et
You're
Et.
doing a video, oh my
Your
god.
Filipino name
I'm
is
so articulate.
Yana. Yan or Yana.
Yan, or but shine.
Oh no.
Bakit?
Really? This is the first time I've ever been here. Okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've never been here before, so this is exciting. Gilid ng ano po?
Yung gate mo yung simbahan.
Sa simbahan?
Dito po kayo. Meron po rito mga bakanting parkingan.
Ah, sa simbahan. Okay, salamat.
Salamat po.
It's your turn, Shanta.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry!
Oh my gosh, Shanta.
I'm not gonna do it.
Sige na.
No, it's moving. It's gonna move.
Sa bahay wala kang hiya. Sa bahay wala kang hiya. Bakit ka nahihiya ngayon?
It's moving? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Ikaw, Shanta.
Oh, kaula!
Kinakaya mo yan.
What's the second?
No, just do your move.
do anything.
Dwayne did his move.
I just did
He
whatever.
had his own Kiki.
It's Jodalyn's turn.
Go! Kiki!
And this is what we do in traffic, heavy traffic.
That's right, man. Had a party in traffic. Alright, so wakas nakahanap kami ng park. Ngayon, pupunta na po tayo sa Divisoria.
Come on, guys. Let's go to Divorcia. Divorce is Divorcia.
Let's get a divorce.
Let's get a Divorcia.
Paano pupunta sa Divisoria? Alam niyo ba?
Divisoria there.
Ha? Doon, sa Jollibee?
Hanford.
Aha.
Hanford, diretso lang.
Ah, okay, okay. Sige. Maraming salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Salamat. Ang bait ng mga Pinoy dito.
Galing ka mag-Tagalog, sir. You know how to
Siyempre.
speak in Tagalog.
Siyempre, bossing. This is insane! Lapit na po tayo sa Divisoria.
Yes! The adventure begins.
The adventure begins, guys. Oh, trucks for sale. Boy. May mga bra, oh. May mga bra, Shanta. This is the real Philippines right here. All these markets, people everywhere.
You're beautiful, you shine